Hey guys, I just wanted to share with y'all what I received from Grove Collaborative today. I ordered stuff from them for the first time and I was able to get some stuff for free. So I'm going to share that code with y'all so y'all can get some stuff for free too. And I'm actually really excited for the stuff because it smells so good. The first thing that I got was the Honeysuckle Scent Mrs. Meyer's All-Purpose Spray. The next thing I got was the Mrs. Meyer's Basil Spray. This is the one I've been using in my videos. So I knew I liked that one. So I got 2 of those. Then I got the Mum Spray. And the Apple Cider Multi-Purpose Spray. The Spiced Pumpkin Spray. And oh my goodness, this smells like some kind of candy. I'm not 100% which kind it is, but it is some kind of candy. That one smells really flowery. So does this one. And this one smells like apples. And then I'm going to show you all the stuff that I was able to get for free for spending $20. All of this was $20, but then I got a bunch of stuff for free just for signing up. So let's just move over here. I got all of this stuff right here for free. I got this cute little caddy thing. I got the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in acorn spice. You can actually pick your own scents of your free stuff. It's just what I chose. The Mrs. Meyer's acorn spice multi-surface spray. The Mrs. Meyer's rainwater hand soap. These walnut sponges. This hand cream, like I said, this caddy, and I think it's so cute. You can pick white or gray. I chose gray. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm still sick. But that is everything I got for literally $20. All of this stuff, 20 bucks. And literally one of these, which all they have is this scent at my Walmart, one of them is $4 at my Walmart, you guys. So that is a awesome deal. But I'm going to put the link in my description below. That way y'all can also get these items for free. And I think actually if you spend, I think it was $40, I think, you got one of those plate things that you can put your dish stuff on too. So that is still a really good deal. But like I said, I'll leave the link in the description below, and I hope y'all use it, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.